Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about what if I received a Bitcoin when my computer is off. This works fine. The Bitcoin will appear next time you start your wallet application. Bitcoin are not actually received by the software of the computer. They are admin to publish ledgers that are shared between all the devices in the network. If you are sent Bitcoin when your wallet collects program is running and your later lunch, it will be download, block, and catch up with any transactions it did not already. Now about the Bitcoin will actually appear as if you were just receiving it in a real time. Your wallet is only needed when you wish to spend Bitcoin. I'm at the end of this video. To find more information, you can go to the We Use Coin website.